Let us go for our data interpretation concept. In case of data interpretation, we are finding there are lots of different kinds of table and charts. We will start with our first type, which is nothing but a table understanding. Please look into the given question set. Wherever we can find that it is written from 1 to 5 questions it carry from the given chart. Here, market of baby products for the month of January and July. These are the 2 months, January and July. But we can see there are two way the data has been represented. One is volume, another is value. And that entire part, milk food, winning food, and baby message oil, these in these three segment it has been divided. As well as in every segment, there are two such company name given and total part given. Again in winning food, two such company name and total. Here two such and total. And also this is significant that in first time milk food it is in the first row, in second one winning food this total in the first row, but in this baby message oil it is in the third row. Whatever these kinds of observation of table, what it is, that is our major point for starting to solve any kinds of table. We need to understand what, in which way the data has been represented first. It is just a table, but that data representation is important to understand. Okay, let us go for our question first. This is our first question that we need to understand and we need to solve it. Here it has said that considering the individual market, in terms of volume in January, this is important. Volume in January, this is volume and this is January. So basically, considering individual market in terms of volume in January, which product had the largest market? So in case of volume part, if I check it out that which product has the largest market, we will be able to see that there are some of the companies name given: Amul Spray, Lactogen, Cerelac, Ferex, Johnson, Dabur, and out of that, these are the four options given out of these six. And largest market is Amul Spray. So my answer goes to Amul Spray in milk food, option B. Now let us go for our second question. In the second question, it has said that in baby massage oil. So basically, these one baby massage oil means these particular segment I need to consider first. What was the market share in value? Market share in value. That means I need to check that one value part of brands other than Johnson and Dabur in July. In July means these one. I need to go with this column only. This way, understanding of entire part one after the other term, whenever we are moving with, we can find it out that this part of entire thing, milk food and winning food, is not at all required, because it has mentioned that it is baby massage oil market. So from my mind, we need to take out this other set of data so that we will not clutter our mind. Then also we can find next it has volume is not required because only value mentioned, and not only value, it has mentioned in July. So I can only stick to this segment. And in this segment, what is, whenever these three data only we can check, then there will be in our mind, it will be much easier to solve this one. What is the market share? We need to find out market share in value of brands other than Johnson and Dabur in July. Johnson and Dabur, these two is actually this much, and other than them means this sum is required, and from this one I need to subtract. So if I add it up, it is 9 and 6 means it is 15, and here 7 and 7 means 1.4. So it is coming as 16.4 approximately. I have written it. Precisely 16.45 also I can say. So other means I need to find out the difference, which is 12 and total is 28. I can write it down. 12 by 28 is approximate value of that market share in value of other, because already Dabur and Johnson taken, other will be remaining part, which is 12, and total is given as 28. Now after writing it, I can find it out. Cancelled by 4, 3, 7. 3 by 7, this fraction I need to find it out in case of percentage. We know 1 by 7, it is nothing but 14.28%. Precisely, it can be written 14.2857%. This one, if you think of it and keep the circle in your mind, that 142,857, then all of by 7, it would start from any one of it, like 1 by 7 starting from 1. Then 2 by 7, it should start from double up 24, that means from 28 onward. So 2 by 7 is 28.5714. 3 by 7, it is starting from 4, so means 42.8571%. This is the process of recalling by 7 and their product. So 3 by 7, it is nothing but 42.85% approximately. (42.85%) approximately, and this is nothing but 42.85 is option A. This would be the answer. So this way, one after the other part, I am removing from my mind and finally calculating whatever it is required. So 3 by 7 approximate 42.85%, and 42.3 is given. So that should be my answer in this case. Let us go to our question number 3. Here, what it has mentioned that in milk food market. So again, milk food means this. I need to remove all of the data, other data from my mind. It should go out. So milk food market, other two, weaning food and baby massage oil, it should go out from my mind. Other brands rose by what percentage? Rose by what percentage in terms of volume? Whenever it is volume, so definitely value is not a requirement. Remove value from your mind. So volume is a requirement. July over January. That means January to July, these change rose by what percentage in terms. So other, in this case, how much? From here it is moving to how much? This is our requirement. Let us try to calculate mentally. It is whenever these two I am adding, it is 14.8, 14.9. If it is 14.93 I have considered, so 14.93, if I subtract, it is coming as 3.3. Okay, other is 3.3 in January, 14.93 subtracted from 18.23. In this case, this sum is 12.72. 12.72. And if I take these one, 12.72 or 73, whatever, so it is coming from here 3.16 or 15, 3.15. Now if I consider that these one, it is coming down by how much? 0.15. So basically 0.15 I need to divide by 3.3 approximately. So it is coming how much percentage that I need to do it. Now this calculation, whenever I need to do, approximately it is coming as 1 by 2.2. Okay, please get the calculation procedure. I know that everyone can calculate 1 by 2.2 in fraction is how much percentage. There is no issue. But I want to show some steps. If it is 1 by 11 fraction, the meaning is it is 9.09%. Okay. So calculations whenever we need to do, okay, 1.15 by 3.3, it is not 1.1 by 2.2. This point will not be there, means I need to write it down. It is 1 by approximately 22 on decimal considered wrong. Acha, if I am calculating 1 by 22, it is 4.09%, 9.09%. So basically 2 by, it is, if I am finding that 1 by 22, that means it is basically another half division, which is nothing but 1 by 11 into 1 by 2. So what it is coming, 9.09 half. So it should be 4.45. And it is reducing, so it is actually minus 4.45. And 4.45 approximately coming closer to option B. So it is minus, it should not be plus because it is coming down. So please recall the calculation procedure. From other part 3.3, it is going to 3.15. So it is a reduction of 0.15, and initial value is 3.3. 0.15 by 3.3, if I do it, it is coming approximately 1 by 22. 1 by 11 in fraction, it is 9.09%. I have mentioned to all of you that 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, in this way minimum 1 by 12 up to minimum 1 by 12 you need to recall. So 1 by 11, which is 9.09%, you know, and then 1 by 22, it is half of 1 by 11, which is 4.45%, and it is coming very close to 4 minus 4.6% because it is coming down, so it is minus. This way we need to solve it. Now question number 4, where it has said that in baby massage oil market, that means again I will consider these one. What is the growth of brands other than Johnson and Dabur in terms of value in July? Value growth is required. But please take one important point. What is the growth? Is there any percentage growth mentioned? Definitely not. If you check it out in the earlier question, wherever it was said that what percent in terms of volume in July over January. But this percent term is not mentioning here. So here it has mentioned what is the growth of brands other than Johnson and Dabur in terms of value in July. So what we need to do? First of all, we need to remove the other milk food and winning food market. Then we are moving out this volume. Then we need to know that value wise what is the growth other. Now what I have to do, again I need to add it up this, which is coming as 10, and here it is 11, 12, that means 1.2. So it is coming as 11.2, and if I take difference, it is coming as 10, other means it should be 10.7 or approximately 8. And these one, if you add it up, these two, it is 6, it is 15, 16, 16.445. So approximately it is coming as 12. So 10.8 to 12, what is the growth of brand other than Johnson and Dabur? Other than means other than adding these and subtracted. Now 10.8 to 12, this growth means what? This growth means it is approximately 1.2, and that 1.25 would be my closest answer. Rest others wide apart because it is plus and it is 1.25. So option D would be my answer. This way we need to see the question properly, and after that only we can answer this one. Now going for question number 5. In milk food, again we have to consider that milk food market. So milk food market means I need to remove that other two markets. So milk food market we have kept in our mind. What is the percentage of lactogen in terms of total market value in July? What is total market value in July? Value means I need to remove this volume. And here, what is the percentage of lactogen in July? So January part is also not required, or means July I will keep it in mind. And here lactogen means this one 44.05%. What is the percentage of lactogen in terms of total market value in July? So actually it is coming 44 by 208 approximately I have written, because lactogen is 44 and 208. So this percentage, if I want to find it out, so if I take 2, that means it would be 104, and this is 22. If it was 100, it would be 22%. So definitely it is closer to 22%. Now, what it should be, there are some close values present. It would be less than definitely 22%, as it is 104 given. If it was 100 given, then I can find 22 by 100 is 22%. 22 by 104, it should be less than 22%, as denominator is more. Now, how precisely we will be able to find? Let us try to do 22 by 104. I am writing 104. 10% of 104 is 10.4. If I take double of 10.4, because 20%, so it should coming as 20.8 by 104. It is actually 20%. Okay. Now let me add 1% of it, plus 1% of 10.4 means 1.04 by 104. 1.04, if I have added, it would be 21.84. That means how much extra? 22 minus 21.84. That means it is coming as 0.16. So that means already this one is 1%. So basically 20% plus 1% I have done. It is coming as 21%. So it cannot, it is less than 22%, I got it. And it is more than 21% also I got it. So definitely there is no any chance of other than, that means 23 is not possible and 19 also not possible. It is coming as 21. So option A would be the answer. No requirement to go precisely 0.14, 0.16 by this plus 0.16 by 104 is how much percentage. That much precision is not required. It is coming as 0.1% or something, more than 0.1%. So how 22 by 104 precisely I got it, as all of the percentages 21, 19, 23 is close, that we have done in this particular problem. Please understand, 22 by 104. Now whenever I have written 22 by 104, first target is I am trying to find closer to 100 denominator. Then whatever denominator, 20% I have calculated, I have broken down 22. So 22, first I have broken down 20.8 looking into this denominator, 20% done. Then 1.04, which is 1%. After that some extra, and that is too less, 0.1% less, close to 0.1%. So this way 20% and 1% is giving me the result. Next part 0.1%, 21.1%, it would be the final answer. So it is closer to 21% here. It cannot be more than 20. If it was 22 given, or if it is 21.5 given, then I will be scared and I need to go to more closer answer. Otherwise normally calculations we can go by this one.